Come on. Huh? Here. They have steaks here. Steaks. Mini market. Market day.
Mommy.
Say hi.
It's mommy.
Yes, it's mommy.
Aren't you supposed to keep spinning it around the other way and talking and that? Aren't you supposed to keep spinning it around the other way and talking for it?
I'm not gonna talk, so I don't know what to say. Wala ka, be. Come here.
You just ramble on.
I know where we're going. You should plan everything. Where you go?
I want to have water out here.
Wala. Ito. Italian. Yan, we're just walking around. Ang ganda, oh. Aray ko. Isabella, enough.
Come here, give me your hand. Ready? 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Again. Again.
Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito.
1, 2, 3, jump.
This is the Lake District. Traditional food. We're looking for food.
Traditional food for the What's that?
Hanap kami ng restaurant, ang aming kakainan. Maghirap maghanap kasi may kasama kaming maarte sa pagkain. Yan. Mamaya doon tayo sa lake. Punta tayo sa lake. Ito yung small town ng Lake Keswick. Keswick town. Ayan. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. Alas 12:30 na eh. Hanap tayo ng pagkain. Nakagutom. Gusto ko ng Sunday roast.
Everything else is down.
Gana? We go turn right? Ano na ako, sawa na ako sa McDonald's. Lagi na lang McDonald's.
There's no McDonald's here.
Di tayo?
Yeah, we're going.
Kagabi. Nag-Chinese kami kagabi.
Open it. How about you got more? Oh!
Tapos ngayon, naghanap ako ng ano. Gusto ko yun. Para may sarsa. Or steak. Maganda ang panahon ngayon. Nagpakita si Haring Araw. Magandang maglakad-lakad. Itong mga kasama ko, hilig sa burger, sa chips. Ay, nakakasawa na araw-araw na lang. Tayo. Ang sarap maglakad pag labas ang araw hindi malamig. Ayan, dito tayo. We. Ayan, ang ganda dito, guys. Look at that building. Oh, 1887 built. This building din. Yan building na yan. 1887. Wala pa kami nahanap na restaurant. To the lake daw doon.
It's this way.
Kahit saan na lang, mahal. Any
Any what?
Any restaurant.
Yeah, we just passed those, but I don't know what.
I'm just gonna have a steak na lang.
You walk for a bit. You're heavy.
Diyan, ang ganda ng mga building dito, mga luma na. Ang ganda talaga ng ano. Tayo maglakad-lakad. Did we? But we did not look what's on the menu. That one I said there's a steak. Oh, we go there. Hi?
Those are quite busy when they're just like, you know,
I don't know.
look in the window.
Because it's lunchtime now.
Yeah, it's probably what.
Oh, what a beautiful day. Puro kasi mga ano dito, tinapay. Ako naman ang tinapay, hindi ako mahilig sa tinapay. Gusto ko yung proper food. Ayan oh. Puro sila ang hihilig nila sa tinapay. Dito na naman tayo ay. No, I don't like it. We go this. I don't know. Mahal, I don't know where we're going now. I don't know. I can't remember now. Let's just go back in the car. Go back in the car.
We need to have something to eat.